Ka Sorkar Jela kadang bishar banyak mentah halor ka Jingdawa ban kentiu kerdanno ya ka Mawson Ram CNRD block syaka civil subdivision. Ya kani layathu da usembut Menteri Rangba ba Preston Tensong halor ka Jingkeli ba Wanra da MLA ka Mawson Ram ba Olan Sun hayeng dorbar. Halor ka Jingkeli ba Wanra da MLA ka Nong Thamai ba Charles Pengro usembut Menteri Rangba ula pentip ba ka Sorkar kala bishar banyak langru wat habayadai ba ka Jing Penkha district Thamai.
Speaker, sir, thank you for the Minister to have replied my question. But the question was, I'm very happy, but the question was not to the satisfaction. So before I ask another question, may I make one or two sentence statements, sir? You see, Mawson Ram Senior Block is a multi-community inhabitants, speaking different language, having different faith and religions. And even though we coexist as brothers and sisters in such a diversity of culture, belief, and so on. So it is we are living in unity, though in diversity. Second, sir, as we know, Mawson Ram, within Mawson Ram block itself, we have the altitude of 550 meters up to 1,700 meters. In between this altitude, we have three climatic regions: the temperate region, the subtropical region, and the tropical regions bordering Bangladesh. Population are living in temperate region, living in plateau, living in difficult terrain, living in low flat areas, in border areas. They are facing very much difficulty. The distance from the headquarters is more than 100 kilometers up to the extreme border. We have also the population size bigger than Ranikor civil solution, bigger than Penusla civil solution. We have also the village, higher number of village than Ranikor civil solution, than Penusla civil solution. Except the size of the area, Ranikor is higher than us. The rest, all the tabis, we are in higher than those civil solution. So, sir, and besides our people or villages situated in the difficult terrain, it's very difficult for the digital system of governments to reach to our people. It is only the civil subdivision that can bring closer administration to our people. So if these facts and data, sir, to buttress support of my statement, if the department required, yes, I can support any time. So based on this statement, sir, may I know from the Minister in charge to pass a remark comment and give a statement whether these data are fit to grant civil solution for Mawson Ram CNRD block, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, the concern of the Honorable MLA from Mawson Ram, Sun, and the justification he placed before the Advas House, it's so convincing, no doubt of it, sir. Very, very convincing. Yes, sir, in fact, as I've already replied, matter is under examination. We know not only Mawson Ram alone, we do have quite a number of more places which needs the administration going down closer to the people. So, sir, let me again reiterate that the proposal for creation of Mawson Ram civil subdivision is being examined in detail by the government, and once the process is completed, once the examination is done, then I'll be in the position to tell the honourable members and also the people of Mawson Ram area as a whole.